Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how to make an excellent Amazon shoppable video, and on top of that, an excellent video that converts and helps you earn higher commissions. So you became an Amazon influencer hoping to make really big money. Maybe you're not seeing that money yet. Maybe you heard about others who are just crushing it on influencer, making huge amounts of dollars, but you're not seeing those dollars. And you might be wondering why you don't see the money that you keep hearing that could be made. Well, don't give up, guys. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can make excellent money with Amazon shoppable videos. So who am I? I'm Greg. Welcome. I'm glad you are here today. I have built several multi-million-dollar companies, and I'm on this channel to help you find income streams that work for you. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can make excellent shoppable videos that convert. I'll go over how to develop videos that earn commissions and earn the best commissions you can get. I'll help you achieve higher commissions as an Amazon influencer. Great commissions are out there. You may just need to make a few simple tweaks to get those commissions. Now, before we get into today's video, do me a favor. Like this video. By liking this video, you help me know that this kind of content is helpful for you, and that helps me decide to make more content like this for you. Also, please subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. It helps me further the reach of this channel, helps me help more people. So please, before we go further, like this video and subscribe to this channel. All right, so when I started as an Amazon influencer, I was hoping for $100 days. Right out of the gate, I wanted $100 a day. Well, I was seeing $10 days. Not even close. That's 10% of what I was really hoping I'd be making out of the Amazon influencer program. So I decided to do a lot of research and a lot of A/B testing to figure out what works and what doesn't, and how to make videos that would convert and get me to where I wanted to be. Because $10 days weren't going to get me where I wanted to be. So the good news is you're already well on your way. You're already, I assume, an Amazon influencer. If not, I do have some other videos out there about how to become an Amazon influencer. I strongly suggest you watch them because there's good money to be made in the program. All right, with a few small tweaks, I'm pretty confident you can start earning really great commissions as an Amazon influencer. All right. The first step, number one, is the obvious step that you've already heard a bunch of people talk about. Know the questions to answer. That's what I wrote in my notes. Meaning, know the questions that people are asking so that you can provide the answers. Where do we find these questions? Well, we can look at the product that we're about to review and see what questions people have asked, and also what things people have commented on quite a bit, because people are asking those questions. Also, know what questions you have about that product or had about the product before you had it. What would you be looking for if you were buying this product? What would you want to know? So, know the answers to those questions and know what those questions are. That's step one. That's the obvious step, and that one's pretty easy. The answers are already out there. You just need to know what they are. Number two, your next step is to get ready to shoot your video. Now, this may also seem obvious, but it seems like a lot of people who aren't earning high commissions are rushing into their video. So get ready to shoot your video. That's important. And what do I mean by that? One, use a great quality camera. Your phone is fine. Most phones now are really great quality cameras. So make sure you're using a great quality camera and that its settings are set to record great quality video. Now, a lot of cameras are preset to shoot lower quality videos because you can put more on the memory space available. So make sure you adjust those settings for really high quality, at least HD quality. 1080 is the lowest I would go. 4K if you can. If you're going to shoot a longer video, you may want to avoid the 4K because Amazon does have a space limit on the amount of video that you can upload at one time. So I would shoot at least an HD quality video, and if possible, shoot 4K video. Make sure you have excellent audio. This is really important. Some cameras have fantastic microphones on them that will focus on the person presenting, and that's what you want. If you don't, there are a lot of microphones that will plug into a phone, a lot of microphones that will plug into a camera. Make sure you get a microphone that is going to exclude a lot of the background noise and really focus in on you. You don't need to spend a lot of money on a microphone, and a lot of cameras already have decent microphones in them. So just make sure that whatever you're doing for your audio is that you're getting excellent quality audio with minimal to no background noise. The next thing is make sure your audio and your video are in sync. Sometimes that has to do with processing equipment you're using when you're recording, and sometimes it has to do with your editing software. When I see videos where the lips don't match the audio, I move on, and so do the shoppers. So make sure whatever you're doing in your setup keeps the audio and the video synced together. Now, the next thing in step 2 is your environment. Make sure you have a simple, clean background. Nobody's interested in being busied out visually. So remember, the hero of your video is the product. And if you're in your video, which most of the time you should be in your video, it will help convert better than just like a hands showing a product. Make sure your background is really simple. The star of the show, the hero of the show, the hero of this review is the product you are reviewing. So make sure it really stands out and there's nothing else really distracting going on. Make sure your environment is quiet. That's huge. If there's a lot of noise in the background, it's a distracting video and it's hard for people to pay attention to the product you're reviewing, and they'll probably move on. Make sure you and the product are lit well. That way they can be seen clearly. Lighting is important. Sometimes the ambient light in the room is enough. Sometimes you may need a simple light to shine on the product and you to make sure you are both lit up well. Also, eliminate shadows as much as possible. Shadows are very distracting, and they also take away from being able to see what you want people to see, the hero, the product that you're reviewing. So, step 3 is sort of another obvious step, and there's 4 sub-steps to this one. Number 3 is shoot the video. Now that you've set up, it's time to shoot the video. So when you're shooting your video, there are 4 things you're going to want to do. This is the exact outline that I suggest you follow. What's the name of your product? Introduce it. Name the product. But don't worry about introducing yourself, because in a review video, it's not about you, it's about the product. So introduce the product by its name. Then give a short overview of what the product does, or what it is supposed to do. Don't drag this out, don't make it too long, but you named the product, now tell what the product does. The third thing to do in your video is now talk about how you will use your product. Possibly tell a story about how you would use this product or why you chose this product. Maybe it's something that you're going to use with your kids and there's a great story there. Maybe it's a more simple kitchen gadget that's solving a problem for you, and you can talk a little bit about how you're using it to solve that problem. And then, do you use it in a unique or different way than what is standard or obvious about this product? With smart devices, sometimes this is very common that you use your smart device differently than the way it's advertised to. Maybe you found alternative uses for this product. Well, now it's time to talk about those alternative uses or unique uses that you have found for the product. The fourth part of shooting your video is now actually review the product. Highlight any unique features that this product has. Are there options available for this product or accessories that you could buy as well that change or alter or make the functions of it even better? Maybe it's just color options. Maybe you have the white version, but it comes in blue or pink or something else. So highlight what other options are available. Tell how well the product works. Does this measure up to your expectations? Is this a great product? Would you recommend this product? And then also answer those questions that you know people have about the product. Answer the questions you had about the product and answer the questions that you found online or on the shopping page for this product. Answer those questions that the buyer wants to know about. Make sure when you're reviewing this section and going over the product, you're highlighting all the little inputs or outputs or definitely the different pieces of this puzzle, if we want to call it a puzzle. This really helps a shopper understand the product better and helps them know if this is the right product to buy. By answering these questions and really showing the product well, your product is your video is the last video the person will watch before buying this product, which helps you earn the commission from it. So by making a great video, answering these questions and following that outline, you're going to really help the shopper out and you're going to make your video convert better. Step 4, which we only have a 4-step process, so we're getting close to the end here, guys. Step 4 is edit the video. Now, in editing the video, we don't want to go complicated. We want to be really simple. Cut off any extra stuff in the beginning, cut off any extra stuff in the end. Now, little fumbles that you make throughout the video, you may want to leave them in because it does humanize you. But any major mistakes or major gaffes, you'll want to cut those out. And then you're going to, when you're editing it, make a great thumbnail. Now, there's different ways to make a thumbnail, but one of the easiest ways is, as you're editing it, find a section of the video where what you're doing is displaying the product well so that the product is the hero, and maybe you have a little bit of a curious look. Maybe you need to take a separate photo to make this happen, but you'll want a curious look to cause curiosity about whether or not I should click on your video. But keep in mind, you want the product itself to be the hero here. So clearly display the product, but clearly cause curiosity so that people will want to click on your video. Next, you're going to want to come up with a curious type of caption for it. Why would somebody want to click on your video? Are you already answering the question in your title of saying, this is a great product, buy it? Well, you didn't leave any curiosity and nobody watched your video, so you will not earn a commission if nobody watches your video. So make sure your title is curious enough that people want to click on your video and watch the video. Maybe your video title is simple. Hey, see how I use this product. Does this person have a unique twist on how to use it? Hey, what did I discover unique about this product? You could use that same kind of title sequence on all the products you review. But whatever you do, when you title it, make sure the title is curious enough to make sure people want to click. All right. Then when you tag products in the Amazon storefront, tag only one product. I have found in my research that when I tag multiple products, Amazon seems to show that video less. But when I tag one product, they show it on multiple products as a related video, or even if the product becomes packaged in multiple ways, they will show it on the other packaged options. So what I tend to do is I tag the main product, and then Amazon there decides to show it to more people as a related video and on product variations. So I know it seems like we should tag multiple things to get our video seen as much as possible. Don't do it. Tag just one item. That's it, just one tag, and you'll be surprised at how many more times your video is shown and how many more times your video converts. All right, so with these steps, you will make great videos that convert. Remember, it's really simple. 1, know the questions to answer. 2, set up your equipment. make sure the background is clean and the environment is quiet. 3, shoot your video. When you're shooting your video, there's 4 simple steps in shooting your video. Product name, tell what it does, talk about the product, and then 4, review that product. And then the 4th and final step is edit the video. Make sure it's a simple, clear, concise video that helps the shopper better understand the product. Now, if you need any help with this or want to talk about anything, I am here for you. I am here to help you out. You can schedule 30 minutes with me completely free. I really want to help you find the income stream that works for you. Down below, in the description, there is a link that you can schedule those 30 minutes with me. I am here to help you in any way that I can. Please leave me a comment how you're going to use these tips to better your videos, or what part of this video you found most helpful for you to make better videos. All right, guys, thanks so much. I hope you have a profitable day. I'll see you in the next one.